That's why you're looking at me all creepy, because I have to pee. Okay, take me away.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Take me like there's no tomorrow. Ah!
Friend? That's a weird sentence. Oh my god. I want to take your shoe.
There's a poop right next to me. Come on.
Stop.
Gotta be quick with that.
Ran me into the door.
Ow, poop's on my hair. You're almost there. Poop. Hi there. I'm gonna be a mom. No, now you can't get out.
I'll go to the dog.
Don't you dare.
I don't want to.
I got a leg. Ooh, I can see up your shorts.
Nice. Do you like the view?
I don't need to pee.
Yeah, you do.
Shut up, I didn't hear you tell that me.
Tell them.
I don't want to get up.